Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2021 SPX. What a wonderful boat this is. A ton of boat for a 21-footer. Let's start at the back with the power. It's powered by the Mercury 4-stroke, 150 horsepower. A ton of horsepower. This thing will jump on plane, and the top end you will not believe on this boat. It's got a sun pad on the back, and it also has a storage underneath. It's the side where they used to keep the engine. Now it's just all storage underneath here, and then directly below it we have a full-size cooler, self-draining cooler. You can put tons and tons of beverages in there, ice it down, and it's self-draining. So really, really nice feature. You got nice storage, flip-up seat here, so really good access for the storage here. Starboard side, we have the cooler that's conveniently located underneath, so it doesn't be not floating around. And so nice feature on that. And we move to the helm area. You've got the recessed Simrad, so nice, clean, simple dash. Fusion stereo, remote control right here. Just a nice little clean setup. I like it. Over here, we've got a real versatile seat here. It's a forward-facing seat, but you can also reverse it for a nice little, neat little lounger right here. Great feature on the 21 SPX. And then we move to the storage. It's all dry storage, and there's a lot of room, so you can keep backpacks and knapsacks and you name it. You can keep everything in here, so a lot of dry storage. So nice, plenty of room for keep all your belongings. And then the bow. Two comfortable lounges up in the bow, so plenty of room up here to be very comfortable. Large bimini top on it. The boat for 21 feet. It's got the sea deck in the back also. Really great feature. So it has just about everything you're going to need. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.